Good evening, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle, a Jigsaw Sudoku in the puzzle page of the weekend edition, Saturday, October 26th, 2024. And I've already solved three puzzles: the 4-star Sudoku, Killer Sudoku, the binary with 4 stars, and this one puzzle left, the Jigsaw Sudoku, and this one will be number 9487. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 16 printed digits. Should be an easy one, because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 16. And I think it's could be a 0 stars or 1 star. For 0 stars puzzle, I need to be faster than 14, 30 minutes. And for a 1 star puzzle, faster than 15 minutes. Question is this a 0 stars or 1 star puzzle? We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. I see 4 single boxes here, 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 and there. Oh no, 5. Wow, this one has a lot of single boxes. Here one, there one, here one, and there one. Wow. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? Contains the 1 and the 2. No dual boxes here. How about triple box? I see here 1 triple box. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1. And this triple box should be here. So the 2 and the 3 are left. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. More triple boxes here? Nope. How about quadra boxes? I see here 1 quadra box. Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, these 2 boxes can be 3, so 3 should be here. So the 1 and the 2 are left. More quadra boxes here? Nope. Then my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 1 or a 2 here. Well, we have a 1 here, so it can be 1 anymore. This box should be a 2. It is connected with that box, should be so 2. 1 box left in this quarter box for number 1. Okay. Here, another 1. Rotated. This box has the same number as that box. And here, another 1. Mirrored. This box has the same number as that box. Do we have more? No. Overlook this quarter box. Well, we have a quarter box here. Overlooked. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. This box can be 4, that box can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Okay, and the 1 could be everywhere. Alright. Then we have 1 shape left. It's this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 3 here. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum are 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 2 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be here. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this quadra box supposed to be here. And I've eliminated here the 2, so the 2 goes there. And I've eliminated here the 4, so the 4 goes here. 1 box left in this quadra box for number 3. These 2 boxes can be a 4. That box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Then let me see. These 2 boxes can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. This box can be 5. That box can be 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Well, these 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left with the 2 in this area. It's supposed to be here. Is connected with that box. Should be so a 2. These 2 boxes can be 2. Those 2 boxes can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes can be 2. We have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here or here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. But also this box cannot be a 2 because we have a double 2 there. So the only place left with 2 in this W area shape is supposed to be here. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2. So 1 box left with 2 in this area is supposed to be here. This box can be 2, that box can be 2. So 1 box left with 2 in this area is supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 4. And the 5 for the 5, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this area. 1 number is 4. And the 5, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Then, let me see. This box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 3, because we have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 3 goes together with the 1 as a pair, 1 and 3. 1 box left now in this W area shape for number 5. Now we have a double 3 there. That means that this box can be a 3 and more. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 3 is supposed to be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright, these 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It's supposed to be here. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 1. We have a 1 now. So this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It's supposed to be here. And I've eliminated here the 2. So the 2 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be so 1. 2 numbers left in this area. 1 was 3. And the 4, we have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 4 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this area. 1 was 4. And the 5, we have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area is supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area. 1 numbers 4. And the 3, we have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 4 goes there. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. I've marked this box with 4 or a 5. We have a 4 now in the same area, so it can be 4 anymore. This box should be a 5. 1 box left now in this area for number 2. 1 and a 3. We have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. This box can be 1, that box can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 3 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Supposed to be here. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with 4. We have a 4 now, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and I've eliminated here the 2, so the 2 goes there. 1 box left now in this area for number 5. Then 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 3 and 4. Let me mark those 3 and 4, 3 and 4. Then these 2 boxes can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Supposed to be here. 3 and 4. We have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 1 and 5. 1 and 5. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. These 2 boxes can be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. And I've eliminated here the 5, so the 5 goes there. And I've eliminated here the 3. So the 3 goes there. One box left now in this area for number 4. I think this box should be a 2 because give me 1, should be a 2. Give me 3, give me 4, give me 5. Yes, definitely 2. And 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 4. 1 and the 4, we have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here and the 1 goes there. And the final 2 numbers, 1 and the 5, we have 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 5 goes there. Finish in 10 minutes. Well, we sold again. Told you. Should be at 0 stars. And faster than 13 minutes. So well pleased with time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we will meet again tomorrow on Sunday. So we have tomorrow in the afternoon 4 puzzles in the additional, and in the evening the Samurai Sudoku. So have a great and fantastic Saturday. Until then, bye bye for now.